How's it going?
Fucking nearly done, mate.
Oh, it's been a busy day, man. You nearly done?
No.
I was gonna say.
We're over halfway
what?
for sure. We've smashed it out.
Yeah, you have. I can see that. What time you start?
About 2ish, I think. Because obviously that old engine over there on the floor, we're still in it, isn't it? So just literally putting the last wire on, and then the engine's wired up, apart from the injectors.
Okay. You put this on as well, the disc?
No, they've been on for ages.
They look new. They haven't been used.
Yeah. I put them on like 2 years ago, but obviously haven't been driven, has it? So.
Whoa! This guy. Bro, it's been a busy day. Now I've been out all day today. What time you get here?
1 o'clock, like we all planned.
I got a call from Bruno earlier, yeah?
Time we planned.
I got a call from Bruno.
All that footage you missed putting the engine in.
Huh?
You missed all the footage of putting the engine in. You should have fucking filmed it.
My bad, I just got here.
Just
man.
woke up.
What did he could have filmed for me?
I was busy putting the engine in with him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it took a lot of meat to get it in. So.
Picked it up and put it in there.
Yeah, it was a bit of a performance, that's for sure.
Just 2 of you?
No, there's 4 of us.
Oh, there was 4 of you.
Yeah, because you need like 4 sets of eyes to watch everything.
How's it going? Still here? Still awake?
If you got one of fist bumped you, but no.
Still awake. God damn!
Do you know how cold they are?
There's a lot going on my bed. Huh?
Do you know how cold they are?
How cold you are?
Yeah.
Do you want a jacket?
Freezing.
I got one in the car if you want
I
it.
went to get fuel and I got us a hot chocolate. I joined up hot chocolate quick. It didn't warm me up.
Oh, wow. It is actually a little bit cold, isn't it?
Still have this hot chocolate up.
What the flip? That bonnet goes up like vertically.
Yeah. You forgot. Bruno popped down. He's like,
I completely forgot.
Oh, Bruno was here as well?
yeah, they helped us like, oh, in there.
What time?
He literally just popped down, aligned it, and then he.
Yeah, he literally just helped us sit the engine down. That was it.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't think it would have come.
We took this one out, just on our own, and then.
Oh, that's the old one that was in it?
Yeah, and we took the new one off that stand, put it on there, moved it over, and then yeah. We basically had it in, and then they popped down, and then they just helped us align it.
Right.
Yeah, so we've been busy, mate.
So when you're looking to get it started today?
It won't be started today.
No,
well,
I didn't think so.
Run today, but
Huh?
I don't want to run it with no like coolant in it or anything.
Oh, okay.
It's obviously radiator and stuff.
So maybe tomorrow?
Yeah, it'll be running by tomorrow lunchtime. I mean, we have made quite good progress, to be honest. I mean, every wire's almost plugged in.
Yeah, bread over there.
Yeah.
Helped to take apart the engine.
What?
I used bread. So basically, because you had to like force the bread into a certain place for the bearing to force its way out.
So basically,
Bread?
there's a bearing, and with it, it's got a hole inside.
Yeah.
It has to come out straight. It can't come out in an angle.
That engine.
Yeah, come on.
Go on. You used bread to fix an engine.
Come on. It works.
But Armstrong, are you listening?
Come in, this way. So you see on it, you can't, if you look through that hole all the way inside, there's like a round bearing in there with a hole. Basically,
dummy pilot bearing that you have to get out.
Basically, put bread into that hole, get like a screwdriver or something, push it in so it just like, where I buy in a Hammond, expert. Put that in there, and then it basically just makes it go to the side and like push the bearing out. Because we couldn't get it out with a screwdriver.
The bearing gets pushed to which...
Yeah, because like, you know, if you go a hole, you put stuff in there.
Yeah.
The more stuff you put in there, it's just gonna.
And the bearing comes out of which side? The other side of the engine?
No, this side, just there. Yeah. How would you explain it? My Polish is not working.
No, it's just...
I'm tired.
You force the bread in.
Right.
And then you hammer the bread in, and that force from the bread forces that bearing outwards.
Yeah, look, there's the bread. Well, parts of it. Bruno's got to get the other half.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he came over with the dog.
Whose bread was that
I
then?
don't know, he just found it now. Someone's not got breakfast tomorrow.
Did you check the date on it? What is the date on that thing?
Probably massively expired.
Yeah, 17th of September.
As you can see, these guys have been working hard, especially Alan here.
Mate,
He never does anything. He's a lazy guy, but when it comes to cars, he's the first one.
Okay, I'll give you that.
That's what I thought. That's what. Yeah. Huh?
Where have you been?
I've been, bro.
There it comes.
I've been here, there, and everywhere. Okay, here we go. Let's see that.
I got back what time? 1 o'clock? Yeah, I'll be there, yeah. Fucking 9:30 in the evening. Yeah.
That was the first one here yesterday.
Yesterday we didn't really do much apart from move the car.
Yeah, but who was the first one here, Kobe?
Yeah, only because I told you, tell me when you leave it.
Shut up.
Yeah. I said, let me know when you're leaving. Do you want me to pick you up? And then I get a message. Oh, I'm here.
Oh, okay,
I can't remember that far back. I've done a lot since then.
Communication doesn't exist.
No. Bruno's communication doesn't exist either.
That's not good. He's going to come for you on Monday.
Bring it.
That's actually that's the new battery, yeah.
Yeah, the wires.
The wires are done.
Chocolate in his engine.
Yeah, no, that's looking alright. Well, go on, start it then. Yes, you're starting it.
No, I'm just going to
Oh!
Wait.
No, this.
Yeah, go again.
That's a good thing.
Go on, try that again.
No, that's fine. That'll do.
Why do you like this, man?
I thought it was going to.
That sounded healthy. That sounded mint.
Oh, no, speak too soon. You're not that far yet. I want to
But
go
you can hear that's good. You could hear the sparks because I was wondering if that was actually still going to work, and it does. So.
You're going to be driving this to the Nürburgring?
I don't know, mate.
Ooh. I think you should.
You think I should?
I think you should.
As long as it's reliable. If it drives around for the first like 3 or 4 months with not many issues, then I'll think about it. But
damn! Yeah, we need a Nürburgring trip, man.
we do.
If you take this,
You're not wrong.
I'll be coming. Even if you bring the Peugeot.
Yeah.
Anyway, boys, I'm gonna go ahead and change my light. See you in a bit. I'm gonna do it out there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Make a YouTube video and then show people how to not do it.
How okay. Right. How not to change a light on a BMW 3 Series.
Step one.
Step one, what?
Step one.
Step one, don't buy a BMW. What are you doing with that high vision?
Controlling everything.
Oh, how many hours later?
I'm cold, that's why. Peter's filter thing. It's the only thing I could find in my boot.
Where is it?
What?
Oh yeah.
You want me to hold it?
Go on, son. We're gonna see it start.
You gonna hold it or what?
Yeah. Just watch
Watch him get it everywhere. Watch this.
Mate, not my car, you know.
Watch slowly.
What? Well, that stinks.
Yeah, that's how petrol should smell. I'll stay.
You telling me that?
V-power.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at this then. You actually gonna start it now or not? Yeah. Yeah. You warned your neighbours? If it don't start, then the kill switch is on. You getting high yet, boys?
Hell mush.
Ah, you get scared, huh?
No, I don't want my car covered in petrol because it eats paint.
Relax, man. Relax. You relax now?
I've never seen you two so close together.
Mate, we've been closer when you were in it.
In your dreams, mate.
Oh shit. Must have
Nearly
been a
12 hours you've
dream. Yeah. I said to him I'll charge 25 quid an hour. Do you want every last drop? You sure?
Yes.
Petrol's expensive these days.
Yeah, it's expensive, man.
Put that in your car.
Oh, it is petrol as well. Yours is diesel.
Oh yeah, shit. I thought you had diesel. Yeah.
Look at this guy.
Smell it, mate. Nah, drive home.
Stick that.
Stick that wet. Okay, what's up?
Stick your nose in there. Until I tell you to stop.
Oh no, not like that. I'll stick it, but not like that.
Yeah, no, that's
No, it's so good, you know.
That is nasty. That is nasty. I've just changed my lights on my car and it's cold.
Yeah, they work before you touch them, no they don't.
Nah, now they work.
Yeah, yeah.
One of them didn't work before.
Yeah, it's a dog.
Let's get that right.
And then that's off now. I'll turn the fuel pump on. Kill switch.
Yeah, it's just that.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, we'll get to see it start.
Can everyone just keep an eye on the cam belt for me? I mean,
Have you not got anything laying about just before you start? No? Cool. Alright, no one else.
Right,
Here goes
keys.
the first start.
It won't start straight away because I'm going to prime it first. Make sure the oil light goes off the dash.
Made in China. Over. Are you joking?
Where's the lights? No, not all of them, but the lights.
One of them. Oh!
Oil light went off, so hopefully.
Let's take a look at the interior. A nice little steering wheel on that. The Alcantara's gone. You need a new one, man.
Coolant lines are right in the way of what it used to be. I can't run it for very long, not at all.
If mine's start, I can full throttle.
Wait, did you put a new radiator on?
Yep. Oh mate,
No.
He's got money.
Yeah, isn't it? How,
He's rich.
as soon as you bought a new car then, shouldn't he?
oh, mate, this fucking coolant line. Right away.
See, close friend.
It never used to be like that.
He never gives you a warning, does he?
Nah. I was leaning on that earlier, put it down.
When
I
he
feel
done
like
that,
car was
I've
coming
seen
off.
it.
Scared the living shit.
What are you trying to do?
Get this HT lead on. But all the coolant lines seem to be in the wrong place now. Get them all. Right, we're on. Plug them in.
Is it going to slide like before though?
Huh?
Is it still going to slide like before?
What do you mean? Slide. Oh yeah, God yeah. Even more.
Even more, yeah? Than the
Right,
last time.
we're happy.
Flipping hell. Yeah.
Moment of truth.
Let me hold that so it falls off.
Any leaks from the fuel rail?
Nah. Hey! Let's see that smile, yeah? Go on. That's nice, that's nice.
Smell of the like oils and stuff burning off.
What do you think? Flipping smells, man.
Bad up quick, man.
Alternator.
You know, it gets sleepy.
It's not happy.
Huh?
Alternator's not happy much.
Should not.
Smoky.
Okay. Oh, it's a fucking fuel pump. Plenty of fuel.
Or the gauge is working on that dash, like the fuel gauge and stuff.
Yeah. Oil light stayed off. Oil pressure's a big thing on startup because you need to make sure it's all there. Sounded fucking mint though, didn't it?
That's
idle
good,
perfectly. So what was smoking on the alternator? That terminal, or
That just looked like the alternator itself.
Yeah.
or is it just where it's covered in oil?
Don't know. Smoke started this side, and you said it was the oil. Then the
It's definitely
alternator.
hot.
Just before you turned it off, the alternator started smoking.
That's alright, if I need a new one, it's not the end of the world. Sorted, bruv.
Good. I can sleep peacefully.
Happy chappy. Well, can't wait to see you on the road. There we have it. It started.
Just to let that power
One more time, go on, why not?
just to let the power steering bleed a little bit.
That light not gonna fall down?
Good stuff.
She's topping up loads.
Huh?
And he's topping up loads.
Is it?
The power steering fluid.
I'll call it tonight.
Yeah, because that goes through something else. Power steering and what else does it go through?
Coolant.
No, the power steering fluid. You said that goes to something else as well.
Right. You're on that on, yeah?
I thought you said something else as well.
No, the pump down there.
I mean, that's what it is.
It's never matched. I'll check it tomorrow.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Sorted.
Well, appreciate the help. Even though you only did about 2 bolts.
And it's been here all flipping day.
No, to be fair, I did say he did 99%. How did the tape
Bro.
all that look?
That's a 12-hour shift.
It's right.
Yeah.
Through the
That is
wire.
all in it. Fucking hell.
Through the wire as well.
No, I think it just needs a new one. That's alright, we've got 2 spare Volvos up at Portway.
Mine somewhere and all.
Yeah, it's looking mint, isn't it?
Yeah, boy.
Crazy, man. Talent.
And that was on an engine stand 2 days ago. Well, it was on the engine stand this morning. No clutch on it.
And the last 5 years.
I don't think it'll idle very well because of that flywheel, because naturally everything's just lighter in it. And the turbo thing's blanked off. They hate that, don't they? They stall out this thing.
Oh, yeah.
So sick. Well, what's the time? It's probably like midnight now, isn't it?
When's the other turbo going on?
Yeah, bang on
Tomorrow.
You haven't even driven it yet. Try to see.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's strange. Fucking hell. You get so hot.
Might need a new alternator there.
Yeah, it's alright. Well, it hasn't spanned for God knows how long.
It just looked nicer than all the other polished bits, wouldn't it?
Yeah. I would polish these up.
What are you doing with this old engine then?
I don't know yet. I might build that one.
Oh, you might build that one as well.
But make that one stronger than that one. Because that's like a half forged.
And then what car is that going to go in?
I'll just keep that as a spare.
Yeah.
And then when
That's
it's
a shame.
on brakes, I can throw that straight in. It costs me
Okay.
just a gasket.
What car is it going in?
It's other Peugeot.
You don't want it in the Infinity? No? Why not?
Make it slower. Oh, my back hurts, my legs hurt, my feet are just gone. Oh god. I'm hungry as well. Could you close it now?
Yeah, it takes a little while to turn off. There's the Volvo finished. Next, we're gonna see on the road. When do you reckon he's gonna put it on the road?
Monday.
Monday, yeah?
Number 2 on Monday.
Oh, wait. Oh, okay. That's what it's doing.
I believe so.
Then it's gonna go out straight away on the road. So see you guys on the next one when the car is driving. Crazy. Imagine building a whole engine yourself, putting it in the car yourself, and driving the car. No, that's mad. Yeah, let's go.